my name is Cayden. Welcome to the family. Today we are going to be trying Filipino snacks. So I'm gonna rate these 1 to 10, 10 the best and 1 being the worst. So first we have Cornick and nuts. It looks like we have cashews and a bunch of other nuts. I really hope it tastes really good. So let's try these. Yes, this is perfect. I would rate this a 10. So next up, we have cashew tarts. It looks like so far these little pies. They look very delicious, so let's try it. I would give this one an 8. It's really sweet, nutty, and it's also really hard. It's really good. I would give it an 8. Next we have barquiron. So yes, I'm going to be tasting this. I feel like it's gonna be really good. Let's go. I would rate this a 9 because it's really bready, and it's very soft inside, and it has this very soft texture which makes it very cool to eat. I would rate this a 9. Next we have toasted pastillas. I can't wait to eat these. So it's time to try them. These are really good. I would rate it about a 6 out of 10. They taste very sweet, and it tastes a little bit burnt, but it's just toasted and it's okay. Okay, let's try it. Are you ready, Jade?
Yeah.
Let's go. So it feels like real sand. It looks like real sand. It's really good though. I would rate this a 9 out of 10.
I rate this a 10.
Next up, we're going to be trying suman. I heard that this is rice with coconut, so I hope this tastes good. I'll rate this a 10 out of 10. It's really, really slimy in your mouth, and it has this very warm flavor. It's really, really good. I would like to thank my grandma Ida and my grandma Nympha for giving us all the delicious snacks we ate straight from San Fernando, Pampanga, Philippines. Thank you for watching our video.